go. Okay. So, wait. You're probably wondering how I got these views and all this watch time, and I have a bunch of more watch time. Right here, I uploaded a really good video. So if you see the analytics, it's recent, and actually there's about, most people watch this, not fully. Wow! 10 impressions, but I got 13 views, and we'll see why that is right now. 14. It went up just right now. Someone just watched it. So first of all, you can see the music choices are on point. Incredible editing. Oh wait, let's see. So people stop watching right here. It's actually the best part. I wish I could filter this because this is... Looks like it's actually the part where people stop watching. This is a nice spot. Really incredible gameplay, dialogue, everything. Wow. 3 new viewers after I upload that video, you know? See that? What's this? I don't know. Most people are not subscribed, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and drop a like. 72% of viewers are not subscribed, so drop a like and subscribe, and leave a comment that of a tip that you have also. So this, yeah, you see, typically I would get 2 to 7 views, but I got 14. Not only that, so I actually uploaded 2 years ago, last time. And first video out, 13 views, not even like really, it's at 14 now. 2 views, one of them not me. I mean, both of them aren't me. So you can see I put a lot of effort into the editing of this one. Not only that, if you put the game, people might see it from that. And also, I premiered it. Also, just incredible luck. I did not know she really had a woofer at the time I said that. I was talking about something else, but she did have a woofer. This video, yeah, kind of incredible. One of my best videos. I also have a short. Oh yeah, Japan. I've been living in Japan for 3 years now. Konnichiwa. I know pretty much everything about Japanese. Ever heard of the Ichi? So Japan's been, you know, pretty spectacular. It's just like anime, it smells just like anime, it looks just like anime. Sounds just that. The sounds. If you've ever watched One Piece, you would know. You know what I'm talking about. Holy shit. Yeah, I also made it the channel trailer too, and featured. It's also a lot longer than some of my other videos, so that's definitely, like, the more engagement you get, the more recommendations to other people That's how YouTube works. Also have responded to every comment ever. Yeah, so it's like nobody watches my shorts. Yeah, that's okay because I'm not too worried. Oh yeah, 9 unique viewers. That's incredible. That's mostly from the new video. 85% of people are not subscribed. 85% of people are not subscribed, so go ahead and subscribe and like the video. I put basketball. Looks like maybe I'll make a video about this. So that's how you really that's how you improve your videos. You just gotta look at what's popular. Oh yeah. Wow, 15 views. That's incredible. It's actually going up while I'm talking. While I'm recording this video. Something else you should do is get your CCTV. Write a little bit of CCTV. Why do I do this? Yeah, that'll probably bring me about 20 views in. Oh yeah, so my thumbnails, before it was custom made. Wish I could show you that. Probably. Wait, let me try and look for that. Oh yeah, I got it. Oh yeah, I got it. Got a couple of these. So, as you can't see, hold on. Okay. So there we go. What is this? This was the first one. Seen this thumbnail a lot. You know, this part got cut off right here, so I just push it down, and I had it that this was next. Terrible. You can't see the text because it's she was just saying that when I screenshotted it, and so it made it pop out. But then I realized this is also the same problem. So what's the difference? Okay. Yeah, I did it for this too, because yeah, that's the theme building, really important. Nothing's okay. So yeah, improve on your attitude. Playlist, yep, look at that. Playlists can help viewers discover your content way quicker. I do have lots of copyright on it, but the music that makes this video well. So I added a new Roblox playlist just for this video. Also, don't put yes for kids. Damn it. Okay. We'll take a look at the end of this video, which actually ties it in together. Can you? Yeah, I can post it. So right here is the moment where you think it'll keep going, which keeps the viewers engaged. Oh yeah, epic music as well. It's copyright. And I went past everybody, and yeah. But if you end it off while something's happening, well, watch right up until the end. Don't do any boring endings like, thanks for watching, just end it, just like that. Just end it, just like that. Oh, you can't see.